Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In my last bullet journal related video, I shared with you guys whether I was going to be going with the Discbound bullet journal or the bound bullet journal. And right now, this is the one that I'm rocking out with. I'm loving adding things to it, playing around with it. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of this. Who knows? Once this whole quarantine thing is over, I may change my mind. I may go back to my half letter. I may go back to my bound bullet journal. But for right now, this is what I'm rocking and this is what I'm using. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I am going to be doing a plan with me in this video with some stickers I have in my stash just to give you guys some bullet journal inspo. And I'll have more related videos in the description box for you to get even more inspiration. And then in another video, I'll be sharing with you other elements that I'm adding to it. And then once I get this set up to where I like it and everything is in place, I will do a complete setup video start to finish. So stay tuned for all of that. But let's go ahead and get into this plan with me. I have a little bit of everything that I'm going to be using. I will have all the products and stuff that I'm using in the description box for you guys to check out, and any coupon codes I have as well. This paper is actually from a B6 notebook that I got from Staples, and I cut it down, hole punched it, and it's in here. So I didn't go out and buy no paper. I made use of what I had. That's another thing that this whole system is doing for me, is making me look at what's in my stash and actually use it. So for this spread, I'm going to go ahead and just break it into 8 blocks. See if I can do this pretty evenly. Oh, that was pretty good. So I'm breaking it into 8 blocks so that I can put a running list of what needs to get done for the week. And then Monday through Sunday. All right. The lines aren't the straightest, but that's all right. This is one of my go-to bullet journal spreads that I love. So let's see. Let's start out with a header. So I have these stickers from Sparkles Delight on Etsy. And if you mention my name, you can get an exclusive freebie. I'm going to see if I have any stickers that I can do more layering with. Let me see if I have any headers that I want to use. I usually have one that says this week. Here it is. Okay. Yeah, all the black ones are gone, but that's alright. So I'm just going to layer this inside of the box, and I'm going to use these hexagons to write in the priorities of the week. That one's kind of like off cut there, but that's all right. And I don't really mind, I don't like this one. I don't mind the stickers overlapping into the box next to it. That's fine. I think all those are. I'm just going to use the pink and the purple and alright, that's fine. So we'll do pink, blue, and purple. I really love grid paper. It's one of my faves. Okay, now for the days of the week. I'm just going to write them in. And Monday was the 20th. Zoom in a little bit for you guys. There we go. All right. I love how my T's aren't in cursive, but my F is. Whatever. And then Sunday. If I had stickers to put there, I would do that and then write them in the box. But using what I have. All right. So I am going to use more of these hexagons, but I'm going to use them over here on this side of the page. And I'm also going to pull in some full boxes. And because I'm kind of like a stickler, I'm not kind of, I am a stickler for lining up my stickers. I just line them up on the line and then go from there. It's the easiest way for me to manage that. All right, so Friday is payday. I mentioned in my financial update kind of video that the family that I work for, even though I'm home, they are still gracious enough to pay me 70% of what I usually make. So I'm very, very thankful for that. So there's payday. And then what else is going on? Let me just go ahead and write in the priorities of the week. Laundry and cleaning, freelance and writing, and then filming and editing. I'm so happy to be back in the zone to be sharing with you guys what's going on in my little corner of the internet. So let's see. So Monday, I decided to do a room makeover. I got new bedding and pillows and curtains. My room has had these ugly green curtains for like ever. And I just wanted something different. I feel like your space is a reflection of you. And if it's not in order, you're not in order. So I just wanted to have my room be like an oasis, and it be a place that I want to go to at night, and it not be a room that I look at and it stresses me out. So I just got all that new stuff, which I love. And then Monday was the verses, the producers battling, which is presented by Swiss Beats and Timbaland. And this one was Babyface versus Teddy Riley. Y'all. Ooh, it was so good. Even though there were major technical difficulties, it was so good. It's like I grew up listening to Babyface and his work, and then Teddy Riley between Guy and Blackstreet. I don't even know if all that was in the frame, but here we are. Here we are. Okay. So Tuesday, what did I have going on? I had to finish cleaning my bedroom. Laundry. I did some freelance stuff. I had this written down on another piece of paper, but I thought that I'd share with you guys how I plan on going forward. Not all of my spreads are going to look like this, but this is generally the aesthetic that I go for. All right, now moving on to Wednesday. I'm going to use a full box sticker here, like so, and just had some writing and editing to get done. And then Thursday, some days are just I can't even talk, busier than others. So I'm gonna put this one down here on Sunday, and then I'm gonna take some of these and just layer with them. I'm gonna take one of those, and then one of these. So you can kind of see the full box, kind of, sort of, you get the point. And then here, what did I have going on? Editing, freelance, and then I was also doing some writing. So we're just gonna pop that there. You guys, I watched the movie I Still Believe. If you guys haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. It is so good. My sleep schedule is all out of whack, so when I'm up, I find things to watch, and inspirational movies are always my go-to. Nothing too crazy to be watching at night, but it was an amazing movie. Loved it. And then for Saturday here, I'm just going to write on the page like I did for Tuesday. And it's going to be Club MTV with DJ D-Nice. I'm going to check this out and see. I might watch it. I might watch the whole thing, maybe not. But that in a nutshell is how I plan. And then I put it in here. This is my little daily routine page that I made. This is a die cut from Fabulously Creative. So that's that. And then as for like my little daily pages, that's where my list pads and everything comes in. So this is a great option, as well as this one, and this is just grid paper. So I'm still using all that stuff, thankfully. See if there's any other stickers that I want to add. I might just do another spread. I don't know. But that wraps it up for this plan with me. I hope you guys drew some inspiration from it. Just again using stickers that I already had in my stash. And these are from Sparkle's Delight. I'll have her information in the description box. And you can mention my name, Lakia, for an exclusive freebie. So check that out. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have related videos, products featured as I mentioned, as well as the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button and the subscribe button and all that other good stuff that you can click and join the fam. And for all of you that are a part of the Chaotic Critic fam, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.